In today's video, we're going to use GPTease to craft a social media marketing campaign for a safe for work profile on Instagram that we can funnel with traffic to our OnlyFans fan site platform. So while we're creating this social media marketing approach, let me show you how GPTease can really shine. Let's get into it. When you first get to your GPT dashboard, this is exactly what you're going to see. There's going to be some suggested prompts to help get you started. There's going to be this icon here, which will take you to your prompt library if you want to use some of these pre-created prompts. And then there's this chat interface at the bottom where you can free prompt GPTs. This is what we're going to do to kind of start crafting this social media profile approach on how we can market and funnel fans off of a safe for work Instagram profile to our OnlyFans fan site. So here is how I would prompt GPTs to do exactly that. The prompt I would use says, I want to build a SFW, parentheses, safe for work, Instagram profile that will be more sustainable and use it to funnel traffic to my OnlyFans fan site platform. Help me create a social media marketing plan to do this effectively. Now, once you're done prompting GPTs, you'll hit this little send icon. What GPTease is going to do is it's going to give you two options in response. Option 1 on the left is going to be a more instructional response. This is GPTease trying to give you exactly what you're asking for. And then option 2 on the right, this is going to be a more creative response. So it's going to be a little bit more inspired, a little bit more outside the box thinking. Now you're going to read through both of these options, and then you're going to select the one that you find most useful and most fitting. So let me read through what it suggests. So I selected option 1. Once you've selected the option, you're going to notice it fills the entirety of the page. So now all you see is that option that you selected. However, if you go to the bottom of GPTease's response, you're going to see a few icons here. This first one, the arrows and the 1/2, if you click on this, you see the other response that GPTease gave you and you didn't choose. So it's never lost. You can always get back to it here by clicking these arrows. The next icon is this share icon. If you click on it, you can share the AI response only, the prompt and the response, or the entire chat just by clicking this create link button, copying the link, and sharing it with whomever you'd like, maybe a personal assistant, maybe a team or a manager, or just another creator. And then this next icon is to copy it. So if you would like to copy all the information it gives you, maybe put it in some Notion area where you're planning your business, this is where you would copy it. And then last but not least, we have this icon for restricted words. So this is really useful, say when you're writing video descriptions or trying to caption something for maybe a locked PPV message or your feed on OnlyFans or another fan site platform. If you click on restricted words, it's going to censor any of the words in whatever the response says that might not be allowed on the adult platform you're working with, for example, on OnlyFans. So this is really useful, especially when writing video descriptions, captions, stuff like that. However, now that we have a response for our social media marketing campaign for our Safe for Work platform, now we have a starting point. So what it gives you, it repeats back to you your objective. It's going to give you a Safe for Work Instagram profile that showcases your personality, teases your content, and then drives traffic to your fan site. Targeted audience, men and women interested in adult content, specifically those who might be interested in your OnlyFans content. And it gives you a strategy. So it's suggesting you share safe for work but provocative images and content. It suggests things to include. It's going to give you some sort of lifestyle content. And it's also suggesting some interactive content. So Q&As, ask me anything, things like that. This is a really great social media strategy that you can put in place and implement to try to build a safer work persona on Instagram or another platform that's sustainable and unlikely to get deleted. The longevity of a social media profile like that is essentially the longevity of your sales funnel to your adult sites. So using this marketing campaign approach for a safer work profile will be really useful in the long term. Now you could also follow up on some of these suggestions and ask for more detail. You can ask it to cater the same social media marketing campaign to a specific niche. Say maybe you're a cosplay creator and you want this all to be in the realm of cosplay. You could go back and prompt it again to say, I'm a cosplay creator. Can you rework this marketing campaign for a cosplay creator? Anything you think that you need help with from GPTease, you can do it and tweak it from one prompt to the next right there in the chat interface. I hope you found this useful. I hope you'll build a safer work social media profile to funnel traffic to your fan sites in all of your adult businesses. And I hope that you're enjoying GPTease. Thanks for watching.